Hey guys, welcome to a new video and this is a video after a long time and I've been busy in the past 1-2 months, so I couldn't upload, but now I'm back. And thank you guys for 2 years, because it's been 2 years since my first video is uploaded, and I thank you for all the support. So now I'm moving towards today's video. You see, about like 2 months ago I uploaded a video about this calculator. It was just very cheap, around $1. So this over here, I used it around, yes, I used it, but now it doesn't work anymore. So I thought that we could use this as a good example for showing what's inside, and then we're going to destroy it. So at first, it's a small durability test over here. I want to see how much scratch resistance. This is a screwdriver here, and I'm using for the keys. You can see the markings get a bit worn off here, but otherwise it's fine. And for the screen itself, some scratches, permanent ones, and this fake solder over here, which is plastic. Yes, there it is. So we're gonna see what's inside this calculator. We already used durability stuff on it, so I'm gonna take out the screws a minute. Just guys, hold on. So I've opened them, and let's see what's inside the, just like that. So this is like the main pad with all the keys and stuff, and this is just the strip which connects it to the main screen. These are the keys over here, and this is the pad over here which you can see. So, and let's bring out the hammer and see what's inside the screen. This is a plastic glass everywhere, and the screen broke, but they don't do this at home. So guys, this is what the screen actually looks like in close-up, and that's it. This is the buttons and everything, nothing more to see. So guys, that concludes my video. If you liked it, give it a nice big thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe for more interesting content, and ring those bells to get new notifications. Bye.